Hey kiddos, this lesson is lesson 5, 2.5. Let's go ahead and get started. Your first sound is scruh. Go ahead and repeat the sound. Make sure you tap them and make sure you mark them. You should follow this strategy for 1 through 5. Number 2, struh. Number 3, spruh. Number 4, mpt. Number 5, eh. Okay, moving on to your your real words. Okay, so make sure on this section you repeat the word, you tap the sounds, and then you write the word and make sure you mark it up. Follow that for numbers 1 through 5. Don't forget. Number 1 is strap. Make sure you tap the sounds. Okay? And actually you'll have to tap on the table because there's more than 4 sounds. Make sure you mark this word up. Number 2, scrap. Number 3, split. Number 4, scraff. Oops, sorry. Scratch that. Number 4, scruff. Number 5, sprang. Okay, make sure you are repeating those words again. Make sure you are tapping the sounds and make sure you're marking them up. Number 2, strimp. Did I say number 2? I'm so sorry. We're on nonsense words, and that was number 1. Number 1 was strimp. Number 2 is scrupt. Number 3 is scram. Number 4 is splint. Number 5 is sprocks. Okay, moving on to your high frequency sight words. Number 1, and on this one, make sure you are marking up your words and circling your unexpected spelling. Number 1 is through. I walk through the door. Number 2, mother. Number 3, father. Number 4, new. Number 5, front. Okay, moving on to your sentences. Make sure that you listen, you repeat the sentences or the words in the sentence, then write. Once you're done, make sure you circle your sight words to make sure they're spelled correctly and make sure you mark up your words. Also, make sure you have capitalization, punctuation, and you check your spelling. I like to read the sentence backwards to make sure I spelled each word correctly and then read it forward again to make sure it makes sense. Okay? So, number 1, I must squint in this spring sun. Okay, make sure you circle I and in and this. Those are your sight words. You do the rest. Number 2, Fran still has to scrub the pots. You should circle has, to, and the. Those are your sight words. Number 3, that stuff is just scrap. Make sure you circle that and is. Those are your sight words. Make sure you mark up those words and make sure you underline those blends. Okay, you have 3-letter blends now, so each one should get a sound. Okay, thank you so much. Have a great day. See you later.